Hey guys, welcome to Howl Slots. Today I'm gonna be gambling. Okay, let's do this.
What the Sigma?
Dude, what would you choose? $100 billion or the mystery gift?
Mystery gift!
And then I open the mystery gift and it's just a bunch of cat poop in it.
Yay!
Mystery gift or PS5?
Mystery gift.
Oh my gosh, the mystery gift was was a picture of my
Actual feces!
Whoa!
Yay!
Dude, I've gotten like 2 free spins.
Getting right now.
Dude, I'm getting right now. I'm getting money right now.
Take that out, take that out.
Take that in. No, leave it in. No, take it out. Okay. Editor, replay the entire video. Hey guys! Editor,
Show a
make
picture of my butt on the screen right now.
Editor, draw furry R34 right now. Okay, editor,
What the Sigma?
get us a 2 times in this slot. Editor, get us a bunch of free spins. Oh my gosh, $2. We literally just, guys, we got a 10x. Guys.
Oh my god!
Oh my, oh my.
Do you need 3 free spins for this one, or you need 4?
I think we only need 3. Usually it's like 4 if they like.
It really is edging you, dude.
It's actually edging me so bad.
What if I to you? How about that?
If I'm right now.
Take that out. Take that out.
Leave that in, editor. Leave that in
No,
and
no.
just boost it. Turn the saturation all the way up.
Put a picture of my address on the screen and my face.
Put a picture of Raven's 6-pack right now.
Oh, look at my dumbass cat.
Put a picture of Raven's dumbass cat.
I think you should play Wild Beach Party. Awooga!
Awooga. Editor, spell beach right.
There's no T, bro. I actually mean play this slot, dude. Get this crap out of here.
No, you asked that. You said. Put a picture of that one cat that's barking on screen. I'm gonna get copyright strike for this. With your butt. Yeah, this one sucks.
Why are you playing this one?
You said play beach
It was
party.
Whoa!
Well, you didn't say. Guys, I'm joking.
I'm joking!
Editor, put that in.
My bad.
Editor, put the definition of money on screen.
No.
Where's the skibbity toilet slot, bro? I want the slot.
Complete that, dude. You know how to spell ugliest, bro. There you go.
Yes.
You're what? You're 24 years old, dude?
Yeah, I'm 24. I have a wife and 5 kids.
5?
And divorced.
How old's your wife, dude?
We don't talk about this.
Never mind.
Guys, put in the comment what slot was your favorite. Comment down below.
For every dead spin you get, I'll give you an uwu.
Dude, I'm gonna kill you.
Ah!
Brother.
I don't even think he's gonna give me anything. No, it's dead.
Come on, bro. I'm gonna kill him!
I'm so angry.
Yeah, the red one.
Honestly, same.
Come on, dude. Let's go. Oh!
Dang!
Dude, could you imagine all 5? Is that even possible?
I think so.
Fishing.
Y'all fishing. We got 9 wild speeds.
Oak spin.
9 hog speeds. Nice dead spin.
Boots.
Oh, there he is.
What is that?
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, wow. I don't think that's anything.
Ah.
Oh, dang it. Oh, wait. Dang. That's 100.
That's it. That's it. That could have been so much better with better like symbols on
Yeah,
there.
if it was like over here or something. Give us more.
Oh,
Give us the gold guy.
we need the little gold guy, right?
Last one. Give us 2 gold guys. That's not,
That's not bad.
That's I think 150. So let me see. Editor, do one more. Oh, that could be good. Yes.
That's not bad.
You got $4. We'll do one more.
Do one $10 one.
Do one more. Oh wow, that's not good. I wonder if Fist of Destruction has something like
I'm gonna
that.
fist you into
No!
destruction.
Please don't. That would suck. Yeah.
Ah,
Oh, there's no wild, so it's gonna be crap.
Oh, you have enough for one more.
This is wild.
oh.
Wow.
You do that, bro.
Frick!
No!
No!
Okay, bro, I'm going to bed, so
Okay, good night.
have fun with your dumb ass recording.
No!
Stupid recording.
Alright.
Let's see.
What the Sigma?
Get out of here, bro. Do one of these spins. Okay, be. Oh. Wow. What the Sigma? Sigma? Well, it's some. Okay, we gained. We'll do one more. Okay. Pretty good. Oh, wow. Only $1. Jeez. Let's do a $10 buy. Normal. Alright. Come on. Okay. Upgrade. Come on. Put a lot down. Okay, well. Upgrade again. B, I don't know. I don't think this league anything it could be. Ah, dang it. Be the singing snake. Frick! Be some good.
Ooh.
Dang it! Be, yeah, be those. Oh, we are not making our money back. It's Jover. Be the bird. Okay, well, I guess that's something. Whoa! Upgrade, be some good. Be loud. Nope. Ah, dang it. What is it?
Ooh.
The bird. Okay, that's not too bad. Still down. Oh, that was the last spin. Frick, we lost $7. Whatever. We could do that. Let's do one of these first. Oh, that's not too good. We lost 2. That's not too bad. We'll do one more. Ow! That was just... it's not too bad. Ooh, that's a lot. We could do Max's bonus. I think we'll just do one more of these, and we're gonna switch. We'll switch it up. Oh, that's... Wow! Alright. We'll do 3+. Oh, I don't know what it could be. Oh, that's not good. Try one more. This could be good. Oh, if only we had a 1A. Wow. Do one more. Okay, if we just get the hand or... Ooh, that's good. $3. It didn't make our money back, but... We'll do one of these. Look at wagon wheels! Spin wheels. I love having no sound. Dude, why is it so low quality too? What the heck? Alright, 10x. Not too bad. Give us this guy. Flip. Give us 5. 1. Dude, what's with the no sound? Give us 10 or beer. Okay, that's pretty good. I think we need like a 200x. Give me that one. Yes! Oh. Yeah, I think we need like a 200x to even break even. Give us this. Oh, heck yes, brother. Heck yeah. Don't give us any of these. Oh, there's the sound. Woo! So loud. 50x. We need something. Give us a 10. Flip. Give 5. We lost 4. It's not too bad. You put 2 on 10, 4 on 5. Lands on 10 or 5, you get 20. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I will see you in the next episode of Howl Slots. Make sure to be 18 to gamble. Trust me, you don't want to be under that age or bad stuff will happen. Okay, guys. I'll see you in the next episode.